Hello, this is my final presentation. And here's where I demonstrate where I've incorporated everything we've learned over the course. It's my little Mars simulator. I was debating whether or not I should just make a full-fledged app, or a new one, and then use that for my final, but I wanted to do my little Mars sim that I've been working on, or at least a little bit of adding to over the course. So, I'm Isai Ramos, first off. Computer science major, I guess. And I made this, the little thing. It's not too long, it's not long at all, it's not complicated whatsoever. Why am I here? I am here to present my Mars simulation. Mars simulation is kind of like, sounds a bit complicated, but it's not. It's literally just screens moving to other screens with different things on them that do different things. Now I'm hoping for my audience to gain an understanding of what I've done. So here we have this. This is the app.js. This pretty much like makes sure everything else kind of like fits together a bit. At least in this context, because it's the app.js. So kind of renders pretty much everything. So here I'm importing my screens, which are the separate screens that I am about to go to, right? And then I have my little container, which has all the separate screens, which is how it calls them, because I have them imported here. Here are the little variable things. These kind of like represent, these hold these, which then I call here. So this holds this, and then I put this there, and then this turns into this, pretty much. And then most of the technical stuff is added here, I guess. And I would say most of it, but some of it. So like here's a scroll, which means I can just scroll down, up and down. I have if I go to home.js, where is it? There it is. But here, I have audio playing, you just can't hear it. Application pretty much just simulates what I want you to experience. So it'll have audio. You can't. My screen recorder doesn't capture audio though, so it's kind of annoying. Who am I? How does my app add value? Who does your app add value? Why does my app add value? I'm trying to answer the questions here. I guess it's valuable because it's simple, it's beginner friendly, and it has pretty much everything we've covered in the course, I think, implemented here. Also, I'm playing audio on my phone from the Expo Go app, so you can hear what this is actually playing. But so yeah, it plays the second you start running the app. Remember, here I have a hello user where I have to input my name. If I don't input my name, I can't continue. Like I can't crash on lines, which is interesting. So go back and I have to like erase this. It asks what is my name, so that's what I have it. And I can't continue because I don't have a name inputted. It doesn't really matter what you put because it could be anything. Welcome nickname, welcome B. Continue administer with OKB. So and then I go to crashed. I go to crashed. I have this thing called the route, this navigation route thing. Basically, it allows me to use the variable or the thing that holds my name, like a bucket, to get around here. So I'm running out of time too, so let's go to the last image. So what is the user experience like? Pretty much this. It's just reading questions and following around some guides. The user word actually gives you an option. So if you want to leave this planet, no. Then it takes you like to space. But if you go back to rover and you go yes, there's like a little mini game where you can like go up and down, up and down. But I win. I can go down. I lose. And yeah, that's my little game. If I go to leaving, here it is. Here's where I have all the JavaScript and whatnot. Pretty much these things allow me to play the game. And yeah, that's what my user experience is like.